We are pleased to show you the 2018 ATS. The Cadillac ATS debuted in 2012 as an American-made compact luxury sedan. The ATS gives the driver incredible comfort and control over a nimble, hard-driving compact that directly competes with the 3 Series and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, 4-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather shift knob, cargo net, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.